Cordial greeting to everyone. My name is Kevin Andres Penagos Yanguma, and today I am going to teach you an interesting grammar topic called the question. These are short questions with hot and to end of experiment to confirm information or to ask for agreement. Let's see how they work. Okay. What are the questions? The question is a short question. He did have the end of statement. It used to confirm or check information. Example, you are a student or aren't you? She does. She doesn't like coffee, does she? Okay, that question used in everyday English to help us confirm what we think or invite the listener to every. For example, if say your teacher, are you in checking it that true? True or she dogs like coffee? Do she? I am asking to make sure. Rules. Rule home. If the sentence if positive that it's negative, you were example, you were here, don't you? Rule does. Real do. If sentence in it's negative, the tag it's positive. Example, you don't like pizza, do you? Okay, the rule is simple. When the main sentence is positive, we have a negative tag. For example, you study English, don't you? Do you? Yes. But if the main sentence is negative, we have positive tag. You don't like Rama, do you? Okay. Intonation. Intonation shares the meaning when failing your sword. It's cool. Today it's it. It's it. Yeah. Two. Reason. You're not sure. It's cool today. It's it. Better. Intonation is very important in English. If your voice goes down, it means you're sure and use one agreement. If your voice goes up, you're not sure and you were expecting to repeat with me. It's cool today, is it? Yeah. No, it's cool today, is it? Next. Real life example. Okay, home. At a school, you finish it, you protect that you did you. At home, mom cookie dinner did she. In conversation, it's a nice movie. It's it. It's it. Is not it. Okay. We use the question in daily conversation and home at school and everywhere. They make up or expect some feeling a natural practice time. Okay. The three grammar activity match the sentence with the correct that. Two activities and my companion to play is Kahoot. Um, that is right. Okay. Now it's time to practice. Go to Kahoot and play my quiz. The tag is right. You seek down from question where you must choose the correct tag. Um, for finale is so that all above the question remember to positive sentence, negative that, negative sentence, a positive that. Use them to sound my friendly natural in English. That thank you to watching and see you in class. Much thank you. Bye.